everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Mastodon on mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download the Mastodon application on your mobile device, then the process is quite simple. Simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and in the search box, search for Mastodon and perform your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed right ahead on your search results. Tap on the install button to begin the downloading process for the application. Mastodon is a free and open source software for running self-hosted social networking services. It supports audio, video, and picture posts. You'll be able to access your descriptions, polls, contents, warnings, animated avatars, custom emojis, and so much more. Once you download the application, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Mastodon application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.